a big thing for me. You know what I mean? I mean, we're the veteran stages now. You know what I mean? And for me to come and win this 45 and over is a big thing for me. As far as the game goes, it was not a bad game. You know what I mean? It started off very good until Warrington seemed like he had a little back injury and stuff, so it kind of slowed down. But you know, I appreciate that he stood out there and fight still, and we enjoy the game.
The better player won. The better player, I think, by far won. But I am disappointed that I wasn't able to give him the contest that he wanted. I'm sure he wanted a better contest. It was good for the first maybe 7 games or so, and then my lower back, I just started to feel like a strain on my hip, and I couldn't change direction. I couldn't serve. Everything that needed leg drive, I just couldn't do that.
You're a national champion, this is the big one.
Yep.
Your thoughts on your match with Surrey?
All right. Well, it's always a battle with him. You know, he's one of the best players in the division. Always happy to grace the court with him. Certain other players in the class. It's always fun battles, tough battles. The score might not look that way, but a lot of the points has been grueling. But it's fun. It's fun. I love being out here. Whole year I've been playing my best, so I feel really good on the court. And yeah, as you said, national champion. It sounds good, right?
Really mind the way I played tonight, but my opponent was doing a better job of moving the ball around and then finding a path to the net. So we're both there hanging in the rallies and stuff like that, but I feel like I was allowing my opponent to strike first too much of the time. But I mean, a lot of good rallies, a lot of good tennis.
Actually, it felt good knowing that coming in I was ranked, I think 7, and I knew that I had to play the higher ranked players in order to win the title. So I actually had to play, I think, the number 2 and number 4 seeds. And I did pretty well in those matches, but the match today was very tough. Kudos to my opponent. He played very well, especially in the first set.
All-Jamaica is a big event. I'm glad I was able to really come through and make it to the final. I played a tough battle a while ago with Baker. Jason is an awesome player and just a true champion. He played extremely well. I have some things to work on, so we'll get him next year. Starting 2025, I think we have 10 events coming up, so we're in all of it, man. Ligony Club, one club.
I thought I performed well. I just managed to stay out there and enjoy the game. And I had a worthy opponent. And we just played.
Tough week of tennis, fatigue setting in. I played 3 matches in 2 days, 6 matches in 6 days. So by the time it got to today, I knew it would have been rough, and my opponent was a very worthy opponent. But I went out there, did my best. I can say, even though it's been a good week of tennis, I'm happy it's over. Congrats to Kemila. But, you know, I did my best, and I won't make any excuses. But 6 in 6 was a lot.